Greetings, thanks for coming by. If you watch YouTube enough, you'll end up watching shows about building trucks on Crown Victoria platforms. I was watching Nathan's Garage, a show called Rudy's Resurrection, and another show called River City, where they did just that. And those were pretty cool builds. I wanted to try something like that, but I wasn't sure I wanted to go all the way with the Crown Victoria platform. So this is what I did. So I went on Craigslist and found this old Ford just a few miles from my house. A 1962 fourth generation pickup, flare side long bed. When I first saw this thing, it looked so odd with this big boxy bed on the back. But that really spoke to me because you don't see these things anywhere. Another plus was the frame looked really good underneath. But that doesn't mean I didn't have something to fix. The driver's floor, the passenger's floor, and the cab mounts underneath were completely rusted away. But I'll cover that in an upcoming video. Today we're just going to get everything out of the way so we can test fit a Crown Victoria crossmember. But first, let's decode the warranty plate inside the glove box on the glove box door. So here is what we're starting with. The serial number tells us it's a two-wheel drive with a 292 two-barrel Y-block built in Dallas sometime in January 1962. And definitely a long bed with over 10 feet between the front axle and the rear axle, painted inside and out in Corinthian white, with a manual 3-speed transmission, and the best part, a 9-inch Ford rear end.